Moods of the verb. Verb moods are classifications that indicate the attitude of the speaker. In English, there are three verb moods. These are indicative, imperative, and subjunctive. Indicative mood. Used in most statements and questions. Examples. He walks every day after lunch. Does he believe in the benefits of exercise? The first sentence is stating a statement, so it is in indicative mood, while the second example is asking a question, and it is also in indicative mood. Imperative mood. Used in requests and commands. Examples. Sit down. Please take a number. These two examples are stating a request or commands, so it is an imperative mood. Subjunctive mood. Used in special kinds of statements. The most common use of the subjunctive mood is in contradictory or hypothetical statements. Examples. If I were king, you would be queen. If you work, you could earn high wages. And that's all about moods of the verb. So, remember, there are three kinds of verb moods: the indicative mood, imperative mood, and the subjunctive mood.